In this video, I will show you how to change the age on your Fortnite account. First, open your web browser and go to the Epic Games website. Click Sign In the top right corner and sign in using the Epic Games account linked to your Fortnite account. Once you're signed in, click Support at the top of the page. Open the Explore Topics menu, select Account, then scroll down and click Contact Us. In the search box, type I have set the wrong age for my account and submit the search. Epic Games will let you know that you'll need to contact support to update your date of birth. Next, select Parent ID, enter your parent's email address, and submit it. Your parent will receive a verification code by email. Enter the code to continue, then explain that the date of birth on your account is incorrect and that you would like it to be updated. Epic Games may ask you to verify your identity by providing a valid government-issued ID or other proof of age. Once your request has been reviewed and approved, your date of birth will be updated, and the change will automatically apply to your Fortnite account. And that's how you can change the age on your Fortnite account.